Robots are valuable resources for a variety of industries, but implementing them in work environments around human workers can present challenges in safety. Industrial robots have traditionally been caged off to avoid collisions with personnel. While necessary for safety, these precautions can come at the expense of productivity by limiting the collaboration between humans and robots. Other precautions, such as using safety-rated sensors or limiting robot speed and strength, can allow people to work more closely with robots, but there are still productivity trade-offs. SWRI has built an intelligent robotics system that not only anticipates collisions with people before they happen, but can proactively change its trajectory to avoid them. Our markerless motion capture system perceives the person's position by using 2D cameras and machine learning software. If a collision is predicted, the robot plans and updates its trajectory around the person in real time. If a clear path can't be found, the robot pauses its motion, reassesses, and resumes its task with a new trajectory at the next safe opportunity. This intelligent robotics system, in combination with the appropriate hardware, can help maximize productivity and save process time by enabling humans and robots to work together safely and effectively.